So, what is the next thing on our agenda? We'll have to move the dataset containing the model's predicted outputs from Jupyter to Workbench. As you may have imagined, there isn't a single way to connect SQL and Python. In fact, there are multiple options available. For instance, there are a few possible ways of connecting MySQL and Jupyter, a few others for connecting PostgreSQL and PyCharm, and so on. To narrow it down, we will only work with MySQL Workbench and Jupyter. We have chosen to link the two through Python's pymysql package. Therefore, in our exercise, the integration will work in the following way. First, we will install pymysql and then import it in the relevant Jupyter Notebook file. Importing the package will establish the connection between Python and SQL, which will, so to speak, build a bridge between the two pieces of software. From an outside perspective, you may be still wondering why we need to use MySQL at all. Couldn't we proceed just with Python? Once again, remember that one of the very strong advantages of working with a database is having the opportunity to store your data in a more secure place. Thus, at a later stage, it would be easier for you to manipulate the database and extract useful information from it. And such skills are crucial for any business or data analyst. All right, let's install the package in question. From the Start menu of your Windows, open the Anaconda Prompt app. After it loads, type and run the following command: pip install pymysql. When the installation of the module is complete, we will be ready to go back to Jupyter and import the module. To do the latter, we'll need to type and execute import pymysql. Thus, we can say we've managed to establish a connection between Workbench and Jupyter. But we have achieved this on a general level. That is, we've only built the bridge, not the roads leading from it. Consequently, to process any data from Python to SQL, we will have to specifically designate the database we would like to connect to. That's why setting up a connection to the predicted outputs database will be the goal of our next video. See you there.